We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT prompts for self-improvement. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account or create a new one if you haven't yet. After logging in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. To use it for self-improvement, think about the areas where you want to grow or learn more. You can start by typing prompts like, "How can I improve my time management skills?" or "Give me tips for boosting my productivity." It's important to be specific with your questions to get the most tailored advice. ChatGPT can offer suggestions, exercises, or even recommend resources based on your input. If you're looking to develop a new habit, try asking, "What's the best way to start journaling daily?" or "How can I build a consistent exercise routine?" Remember that ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for brainstorming ideas or getting a fresh perspective, but it's always good to combine its advice with other reputable sources or personal reflection. You can also use ChatGPT to set goals by asking, "Help me set achievable goals for the next month." Make sure to interact with the responses, ask follow-up questions, and seek clarifications to maximize your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.